Assalamu alaikum. This is Nazrin Said Nishat, your math teacher. Our today's lecture is based on profit and loss. At first, we learn the basics. Cost price is the price at which some item is purchased. Selling price is the price at which that item is sold to the buyer. We always have to remember that profit or loss must be calculated with respect to our cost price. What is profit or loss? Profit or loss is the difference between cost price and selling price. If cost price is less than selling price, there will be profit. So, profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Again, if cost price is greater than selling price, there will be loss. So, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Now, we learn about calculating profit and loss in terms of percentage. X% profit means for 100 taka cost price, we have X taka profit. That means the selling price will be 100 plus X taka. Similarly, X% loss means for 100 taka cost price, we have X taka loss. So the selling price will be 100 minus X taka. There are some sample short questions which are also important as part of structured questions. 1. When there is profit, what is the relation between cost and selling price? Answer: selling price will be greater than the cost price. 2. When loss happens, use relation symbol to show the relation between cost and selling price. Answer: cost price is greater than selling price. Question number 3. A notebook is bought at 100 taka and sold at 125 taka. What is the profit? Answer: profit is the difference between selling price and cost price. So 125 minus 100 taka is the profit. That means 25 taka is the profit. 4. If a notebook is bought at 80 taka and sold at 70 taka, what is loss or profit? At first, we have to decide which one has actually happened between loss and profit. Since the selling price is less than our cost price, we can say loss has occurred. We know loss is the difference between cost price and selling price. So, loss is equal to 80 taka minus 70 taka, that means 10 taka. Now, question number 5. If a pen is bought for 50 taka and then sold at 55 taka, what is the profit in percentage? To solve this question, first we have to find out the profit, then we express it in terms of percentage. So, the profit in 50 taka is 55 minus 50 taka, that means 5 taka. If the cost price is 100 taka, then the profit will be doubled, that means it will be 10 taka. So we can say that we have 10% profit. Question number 6. If there is a profit of 3 taka on a pen worth 60 taka, what is the profit in percentage? We know if we want to find out the profit in percentage, we have to know what is the profit when cost price is 100 taka. So we can use the unitary method. For 60 taka, profit is 3 taka. So for 1 taka, the profit will be less. So we do division. Again, for 100 taka, the profit will be more. That's why we do multiplication now. After completing the total calculation, we have the profit is 5 taka. That means the profit is actually 5%. Here comes some short questions for your practice. In our next class, we will solve structured questions. Hope to see you soon. Allah Hafiz.